What up, guys? 2011 Nationals. Chilling here at RBI Crew 7 Ryan's booth. Box of 08 certified. My wife's gonna bust it. First Nationals. First box busted at the Nationals.
Oh, I want to watch this. Good luck.
I hope so, eh?
Oh, I didn't know if you were like that.
And first pack's got a hit. Jumbo jersey. Jamal Charles.
Dude, I don't care. Fine. What is that?
What's that one numbered out of? 695.99. And a base pack.
Anything yet?
And Jamal Charles jumbo. Nothing fancy yet. Steve Slayton, certified potential.
190 to 250.
Out of 250, one color jersey.
Really don't. How you doing? Thanks again, guys. Thank you.
Tony Romo gold insert. That should be numbered. Numbered out of 1,000. $1 million. We got 2 hits. We got 6 packs left after this, I think. 5 after this one. It's like another base pack. Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah, McFadden. Nice.
Nice.
That's my boy too.
What's the number to 25?
50. 34 out of 50.
Every guy's good, man. That's awesome. I love that year.
McFadden. Nice.
What's up? Not much.
34 out of 50.
What'd you get? That's too
Oh, wow.
Sick, dude.
Thanks.
Wait, breaking the action here.
Yeah, that's all. Nice.
That's awesome.
Thanks. I didn't get it there.
Nice.
Thank you. Also meant like Chase Slayer, 3 other wrestlers.
Well, that's who's that one? Oh, Gyro Yepraman. NFL die cut, numbered out of 50. That should be it, unless we get a bonus hit. Looks like a base pack. Oh, we got 2 left in there. Maybe they'll give us a bonus. Maybe we'll have 5.
Hey, what's the prize?
No, but we got shorted a card in that one. There's only 4 cards in that pack.
What happened?
Oh, is there a hit?
Yep. Yeah.
What is that? Second card, the red one, was that number 2? Roddy White. 100. So recap of the 4 hits. We got Jamal Charles, jumbo jersey, Steve Slayton, 1 color, Gyro Yepraman. Is that how you say his name? Yepraman?
Yepraman.
NFL die cut, and Darren McFadden, certified potential auto. Yeah.